If you are new to the channel, subscribe our channel for latest update. Press the bell icon. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am AutoCAD faculty of NGCC Software Technologies. So today we are going to learn about line work tool. So what is line work tool? Here in the modify menu, this lines is called as line work tool. So this tool is to override the line style, or we use this tool to override the line style. So here how we can do the override. So to do override, as here we are having a roof, but it is not showing in level 1. So here I am opening the underlay. So here in the underlay I am selecting level 2, and here look apply. So here it is showing that roof. So using this, here you have to select a type of line: wide line, high, hidden line, etc. So here I am selecting a hidden line and selecting these, finish. And now I am doing the underlay in a position in which it is before we have used. So here again I'm making it. So this is how after doing the changes in the underlay, even after that the hidden ends are not gone. So this is how it is showing that till when we are having a roof. So that's how like the same on level 2, here the walls are not showing. I mean it is in the 2D view. So here is the wall. So you can even mark this also, this walls. So this is how the walls are override with the hidden line. So that's how you can symbolize the presence of you can identify the presence of walls or roof in the level where you want, if it requires. So that's how even you can use this line work tool to provide the section view or elevation view in a very good manner in sheets and all, for output use. And the next thing is converting Revit file into PDF form. So here go to file and here click on export. You will have these options. In this option, if you have a PDF converter, Revit to PDF converter, then that option will show here, as I am not having that PDF converter option. So I'm not having. So if you want to export, download that, and here will be the option. Click on this. It will automatically convert your Revit file into PDF form. Even you can use this option, print option, and here you can select that you want to convert into a PDF. So here you can do that and do some whatever changes and preview this will be. And if you don't want this in the PDF, this elevation views point, can go back, and here you can just press VG, visibility graphics, and go to elevation views. So elevations, I'm making them off, so they are gone. Now you can print it without that. So thank you.